Dear children, here we are going to discuss the multiple choice questions from chapter 2, that is from the chapter Physical Features of India. All these questions I have selected from your very inside of the chapter. From each paragraph I have collected all these. So if you will go through this, it will be very helpful to you. To begin with, question number 1. What is the average height of the Himalayas? Is it 8,000 meters? Is it 6,000 meters? Or is it 9,000 meters? The correct option is 6,000 meters. Question number 2. Which is the northernmost range of the Himalayas? Sivaliks, Himachal or Himadri? The northernmost range is option C, that is the Himadri. Question number 3. What is the core of the Himadri composed of? Compressed rock, granite or sedimentary rock? The correct answer is option number B, that is the granite. Question number 4. The altitudinal variation of the Himalayas is more in which part? Is it in the western part? Is it in the eastern part? Or it is in the central part? The correct option is option number B, that is the eastern part. Question number 5. The highest peak of India is Mount Everest, Mount Godwin Austen or Kanchenjunga? The correct option is option number C, that is Kanchenjunga. Question number 6. The average altitude of the Himachal range is option A 3,700 to 4,000 meter, option B 3,500 to 4,700 meter, option C 3,700 to 4,500 meters. The correct option is option number C, that is 3,700 to 4,500 meters. Question number 7. The dash range is famous for hill stations. Sivaliks, Himachal or Himadri? The correct option is Himachal. Question number 8. The width of the Himalayas varies from 400 km in Kashmir to dash km in Arunachal Pradesh. Is it 150 or 250 or only 50? The correct option is option number A, that is 150 kilometers. Question number 9. The most important and the longest range of the Himachal is Mahabharat or Dhauldhar or Pir Panjal? The correct option is option number C, that is Pir Panjal. Question number 10. Which range of the Himalayas is known as Lesser Himalayas? Sivaliks, Himachal or Himadri? The correct answer is Himachal range. Question number 11. Name the rivers which help in the formation of the northern plains. Option A, Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari. Option B, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus. Option C, Ganga, Indus, Narmada. The correct answer is option B, that is Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. Along with their tributaries, they help in the formation of this vast fertile plain. Question number 12. Which one of the following is not a dune? Patli, Kotli, Patkai bomb? The correct option is Patkai bomb. Question number 13. What is the total area of the northern plains? 10 lakh square kilometer, 7 lakh square kilometer or 15 lakh square kilometer? The correct option is option B, 7 lakh square kilometers. Question number 14. Width of the northern plains varies between option A 240 to 320 km, option B 440 to 520 km, option C 400 to 150 km. The correct option is option A, that is 240 to 320 km. Question number 15. Fertile land between two river system is it Punjab, is it water divide or is it Doab? The fertile land between two water bodies, a two river system is known as Doab. Do means two, Ab means water bodies, so it is known as Doab. Question number 16. Which one of the following rivers is not flowing through Punjab? Punjab is a land of 5 rivers. Here 3 rivers are given. Which one is not flowing through Punjab? Is it Satluj or Tista or Ravi? The correct answer is Tista. Tista river is flowing through Sikkim and West Bengal. Question number 17. The part of the Himalayas lying between the Tista and Dihang is called, is it Assam Himalayas or Nepal Himalayas or Kumaon Himalayas? The correct option is Assam Himalayas. Question number 18. The peninsular plateau is a tableland composed of the old crystalline dash and dash rock. It is igneous and metamorphic rock, that is the option A. In option B it is given igneous and sedimentary rock, option C metamorphic and sedimentary rock, but here the correct option is option A, igneous and metamorphic rocks. Question number 19. The peninsular plateau was formed due to the breaking and drifting of dash, thus making it a part of the oldest landmass. Is it Laurasia? Is it the Gondwana land? Is it the Angara land? The correct option is option B, the Gondwana land. Question number 20. Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand mark the dash extension of the peninsular plateau. Is it northward, is it eastward, or is it westward? The correct answer is eastward. Then question number 21. The part of the peninsular plateau lying to the north of the Narmada river, covering a major area of the Malwa plateau, is known as option A, Central Highlands, option B, Deccan Plateau, option C, Deccan Trough. The correct option is option A, the Central Highlands. Question number 22. The Central Highlands is bounded by dash on the northwest. Is it the Vindhyas? Is it the Satpura? Is it the Aravalis? The correct answer is option C, the Aravalis. Question number 23. Which one of the following rivers is not flowing over the Central Highland? Is it the Betwa, the Chambal, or the Ken, or the Vima? The correct answer is option number D, the Vima. Question number 24. The highest peak of the Western Ghats is option A, the Mahendragiri, option B, the Annai Muddi, option C, the Doda Betta. The correct answer is option B, the Annai Muddi. Question number 25. The northern part of the western coastal plains is called, is it the Konkan coast, Banat coast, or Malabar coast? The correct option is Konkan coast. The northern part is known as Konkan coast, central part is known as Kannada coast, and the southern part is known as Malabar coast. Question number 26. Which one of the following is not an earlier name of the Lakshadweep island? Is it Lakadive, Minicoy, Amindive, or PT Island? The correct option is option number D, that is the PT Island. Question number 27. The administrative headquarters of the Andaman and Nicobar Island is it Kavaratti, Port Blair, or Nicobar? The correct option is option B, Port Blair. Question number 28. The black soil region of the Deccan is called Malwa, Deccan Trough, or Sahyadris? The correct answer is option B, Deccan Trough. The black soil region of the Deccan is known as Deccan Trough. Question number 29. How much areas do the Lakshadweep Islands cover? 23 km, 32 km, or 42 km? The correct option is option B, 32 kilometers. Question number 30. In which island in the Lakshadweep a bird sanctuary is located? Is it Kavaratti? Is it Minicoy, or PT Island? The correct option is option C, that is PT Island. Question number 31. Which island group of India is a part of submerged hill or mountain? The correct option here is option B, Andaman and Nicobar. Lakshadweep is of coral origin. Majuli is a riverine island. Here the correct option is Andaman and Nicobar. Question number 32. Which physiographic division of India is a source of water and forest wealth? Is it the Himalayas? Is it the northern plains? Is it the coastal plains and islands? The correct answer is the Himalayas. Option A, the Himalayas. Question number 33. Which physiographic division of India support fishing and port activities? Is it the Indian desert? Is it the coastal plains and islands? Is it the peninsular plateau? The correct option is option B, the coastal plains and the islands. Question number 34. Which physiographic division of India provided base for early civilization to flourish? Is it the northern plains, the Himalayas, or the peninsular plateau? The correct option is the northern plains. Question number 35. In which coastal plains Lake Chilika is located? Is it western coastal plain? Is it eastern coastal plains? Or is it southern coastal plains? The correct answer is in the eastern coastal plains. In Odisha it is located. Question number 36. A narrow zone of pebbles extending 8 to 16 kilometers on the northern plains is called Bhabar, Bhangar, Khadar or Terai. The correct answer is option A, Bhabar. Question number 37. The new alluvium soil region of the northern plains is called Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar or Khadar. The correct option is option D, Khadar. Khadar, every year it is being renewed when flood comes in the rivers. That's why it is very fertile. Question number 38. The part of the northern plains lying in Assam is called the Indus Plains, the Ganga Plains, the Brahmaputra Plains. The correct answer is option C, the Brahmaputra Plains. Question number 39. The outermost range of the Himalayas is the Himadri, the Himachal, the Shivaliks or the Purvachal. Which is the outermost range? The answer is option C, the Shivaliks. Question number 40. Beyond Das Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply towards south. Option A, the Dihang. Option B, the Sandhan. Option C, the Jaskar. The correct answer is beyond the Dihang Gorge. Option A. Question number 41. What is the average elevation of the Western Ghats? Option A, 900 to 1100 meter. Option B, 600 to 900 meter. Option C, 900 to 1600 meters. Option C is the correct one, that is 900 to 1600 meters. Question number 42. The average elevation of the Eastern Ghats is 600 meters, 900 meters or 1100 meters. The correct option is option A, that is 600 meters. Question number 43. Which river drains the Chota Nagpur Plateau region? Option A, the Mahanadi. Option B, the Damodar. Option C, the Godavari. The correct answer is option B, the Damodar. Question number 44. The Aravalli Hills extends from Das to Das. Option A, Gujarat to Delhi. Option B, Rajasthan to Delhi. Option C, Madhya Pradesh to Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option A, that is from Gujarat to Delhi. Question number 45. Which island groups of India is of coral origin? Option A, Majuli. Option B, Lakshadweep. Option C, Andaman and Nicobar. The correct option is option B, that is the Lakshadweep Islands. Question number 46. Which river divides the peninsular plateau into two parts? Option A, the Krishna. Option B, the Godavari. Option C, the Narmada. The correct answer is the Narmada. It divides the peninsular plateau into the Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. Question number 47. What is the length of the Himalayas? 1500 km, 2400 km or 3500 km? The correct answer is option B, 2400 km. Question number 48. Dudhwa National Park is located in which state of India? Is it in Uttar Pradesh or Madhya Pradesh or in West Bengal? The correct option is option A, Uttar Pradesh. In Terai region it is located. If question will be asked in which physiographic division or in which relief feature of the northern plains Dudhwa National Park is located, you will write Terai region. Question number 49. The Jhelum, the Ravi, the Beas, the Chenab and the Satluj are the tributaries of which perennial river? Option A, the Ganga. Option B, the Indus. Option C, the Brahmaputra. Correct answer is option B, the Indus River. These 5 rivers are also flowing through Punjab. If question will be asked, name The 5 rivers which are flowing through Punjab, land of 5 rivers. You'll write all these: the Chenab, the Jhelum, the Ravi, the Beas and the Satluj. Question number 50. The Thal, the Bhor and Pal Ghats are the passes located in dash. In the Himalayas, in the Eastern Ghats or in the Western Ghats? The correct answer is they are located in the Western Ghats. So these are all 50 questions which I've selected. Even more questions are also there inside. Just read each line of the book, prepare your separate question and prepare for the exam. Thank you so much.